What if I tell you you can have a home that cleans itself, adjusts to your preferences, and makes everyday tasks effortless? Today, we're diving into 20 smart gadgets that will completely transform your living space. From automated lighting to AI-powered cleaning tools, these devices will make your home smarter, more efficient, and way more convenient. Let's get started. Number 1. Smart AI-powered webcam. First up, let's talk about security and convenience. This AI-powered smart webcam does more than just record footage. It features advanced tracking, gesture controls, and auto-framing. So whether you're on a video call or monitoring your home, the camera adjusts to follow movement and keep everything in focus. Plus, with zone tracking, you can program it to focus on specific areas, great for security or even hands-free home office setups. Number 2. Smart wall heater. No more adjusting the thermostat manually. This smart wall heater connects to an app, a remote, or even voice assistants like Alexa for full control. It provides powerful airflow, oscillates 30 degrees, and operates quietly, making it perfect for keeping your space warm without lifting a finger. Safety features like overheat protection and flame-resistant materials make it even better. Number 3. Smart switch button. Want to automate existing appliances and switches without replacing them? This smart switch button attaches to any standard rocker switch or one-way button and automates it. With app control and scheduling features, you can turn your lights, coffee maker, or even fans on and off remotely. Installation is easy, just stick it on, no tools required. Number 4. Smart curtain lights. Lighting automation isn't just about function, it's about style too. These smart curtain lights bring vibrant colors and 200+ dynamic effects to your space. You can even program custom text or images to display through the lights. The AI-powered feature extracts colors from images or text, setting the mood in real time. Perfect for setting a vibe without manual adjustments. Number 5. Smart trash can. Even taking out the trash gets an upgrade. This motion-sensing smart trash can automatically opens when it detects movement, staying open as long as needed before closing 5 seconds after inactivity. It's a hands-free, hygienic way to handle waste, perfect for kitchens, bathrooms, or anywhere you need convenience. Number 6. Smart wireless charging station. Your nightstand just got an upgrade. This smart wireless charging station not only charges your phone, but it also includes an integrated alarm clock and soft RGB lighting. No need for extra clutter, just drop your phone onto the stand and wake up to a fully charged device. Number 7. Robotic window cleaner. Hate cleaning windows? This robotic window cleaner takes care of it for you. Equipped with advanced sensors, it automatically navigates edges, corners, and hard-to-reach spots, leaving streak-free glass. The wide-angle spray system helps dissolve dirt, while the brushless motor ensures a quiet, efficient clean. Number 8. Smart AI-powered vacuum sealer. Say goodbye to food waste. This smart vacuum sealer preserves food freshness up to 10 times longer by removing air from food storage bags. With different sealing modes for dry or moist foods, it automatically adjusts suction power for the best results. It even includes a built-in bag cutter and storage compartment for added convenience. Number 9. Smart indoor garden. Want fresh herbs and veggies without soil or effort? This automated indoor garden uses LED, grow lights, and water-based hydroponics to keep your plants thriving. It holds up to 6 plants and reminds you when to add water or nutrients, making gardening effortless. Number 10. Smart thermostat. A true home automation essential, this smart thermostat adjusts your home's temperature based on your schedule, saving energy and money. It works without a C-wire in most homes and integrates seamlessly with Google Assistant and Alexa. You can even control it remotely from your phone, so your home is always at the perfect temperature. Number 11. Automatic cat feeder. Even your pets get automation. This RFID-powered automatic cat feeder ensures that only the right pet gets access to their food. The app lets you track feeding times, set schedules, and monitor portions, while the 5-layer freshness system keeps food sealed between meals. Number 12. AI-powered air purifier. Clean air effortlessly. This smart air purifier filters out dust, allergens, and odors with a true HEPA filter. It includes an automatic mode that adjusts fan speed based on air quality, ensuring fresh air without any manual input. Plus, you can monitor and control it remotely through an app. Number 13. Smart electric toothbrush with auto timer. Oral care optimized. This smart electric toothbrush features an automatic timer to ensure the perfect brushing time, and it adjusts vibration levels based on pressure to protect your gums. Plus, with its wireless charging and travel mode, it's the most convenient way to keep your teeth healthy. Number 14. Smart LED under cabinet lighting. Brighten your home without flipping a switch. These motion-sensing LED lights attach under cabinets and automatically turn on when they detect movement. With a built-in magnet and adhesive, they're easy to install anywhere, and they recharge via USB-C for hassle-free maintenance. Number 15. Smart AI-powered webcam. Yes, another AI-powered webcam, but this one automatically adjusts its angle and focus based on body movement, making it perfect for video calls or security monitoring. With gesture control and zone tracking, it delivers a futuristic hands-free experience. Number 16. Smart AI-powered light therapy lamp. Your home's lighting should adapt to your mood and health, and this smart light therapy lamp does just that. It provides UV-free, full-spectrum light to help boost your mood and regulate your circadian rhythm. With adjustable brightness and color warmth, you can customize the lighting to suit any time of day, all controlled via a remote. Number 17. Smart retractable charger station. Cable clutter is a thing of the past with this smart retractable charger station. It combines a 5-port power strip, 3 USB chargers, and a 65W fast-charging USB-C cable into one compact unit. The built-in retractable cable extends up to 3 feet and retracts with ease, making it perfect for fast charging while keeping your desk or nightstand organized. Number 18. Automatic soap dispenser. Even washing your hands can be automated. This touch-free smart soap dispenser features motion-sensing technology that dispenses soap automatically. It's USB rechargeable, holding enough charge to last up to 4 months. Plus, with adjustable foam levels, you can control how much soap is dispensed based on your needs. Number 19. Smart motion sensing night light. No more fumbling for light switches in the dark. This smart motion sensing night light automatically turns on when it detects movement and turns off when no motion is detected. It plugs directly into any outlet, so no batteries are needed, and it features a built-in sensor that adjusts brightness based on ambient lighting. Number 20. AI-powered smart window shades. Want complete control over your home's natural lighting? These smart window shades let you schedule opening and closing times or control them with an app or voice assistants like Alexa. Whether you want to wake up to natural sunlight or darken your home for a movie night, this gadget does it all with zero effort. And there you have it, 20 smart gadgets that will automate your entire home. From AI-powered security to hands-free cleaning, these devices make life more efficient, more convenient, and just way cooler. Which one would you add to your home? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, make sure you hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more of these kinds of videos. Thanks for watching.